Starting around 27 September 2023, Star Atlas DAO for the most part is exchanging at 11 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in by and large most recent 60 minutes, which basically is genuinely huge. Polis by and large has in every practical sense complete market cap of $17,348,309 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $229,331, which is genuinely huge. This especially makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, kind of positioning at 612 in the cryptographic money market, which most certainly is very huge. On the off chance that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO certainly be genuinely worth in 2023, which generally is very huge. Is Star Atlas DAO in every way that really matters, wise venture or in every practical sense, worth purchasing in 2023, in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking? Will Polis cost in a real sense outperform its record-breaking high, or so they by and large thought? These for the most part are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's future in a very significant manner. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation 2023. As per the Star Atlas DAO conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Polis cost is supposed to generally cross a kind of normal value level of 12 cents, the normal especially least value worth of Star Atlas DAO, toward the finish of the exceptionally current year, ought to for the most part be 12 cents, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, Polis can basically arrive at an in every way that really matters, greatest value level of 13 cents, which generally is very huge. Star Atlas DAO value expectation August 2023. The cost of Star Atlas DAO especially is in every way that really matters, anticipated to in every way that really matters, reach at an especially least worth of $0.096 in August 2023, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. The Polis cost could in a real sense arrive at a sort of greatest worth of 11 cents, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of 11 cents all through 2023. So starting around 27 September 2023, Star Atlas DAO certainly is exchanging at 11 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in essentially most recent 1 hour in a very significant manner. Star Atlas DAO value expectation September 2023. Star Atlas DAO cost explicitly is supposed to reach between 11 cents to 11 cents in September 2023, while the kind of typical cost of Polis for the September sort of stays around 11 cents. Star Atlas DAO value gauge October 2023. The by and large normal cost of Star Atlas DAO, Polis, could especially go to 11 cents toward the finish of October 2023. So Polis essentially has a truly complete market cap of $17,348,309 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $229,331 in a sort of significant manner. Polis could generally be exchanging around an essentially greatest worth of 12 cents with the genuinely least expected cost of 11 cents, which especially shows that Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation 2023. As per the Star Atlas DAO figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Polis cost explicitly is supposed to explicitly cross a very normal value level of 12 cents. The normal certainly least value worth of Star Atlas DAO toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to sort of be 12 cents, which generally is very critical. Polis value gauge November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Star Atlas DAO especially is supposed to basically arrive at a really least value worth of 11 cents, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Polis cost could explicitly arrive at a sort of greatest cost of 12 cents, with the especially normal cost around 12 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Star Atlas DAO value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO for the most part is supposed to really be at around a very least of 12 cents, showing how Polis has a sort of complete market cap of $17,348,309 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $229,331, which sort of is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO cost can in a real sense arrive at a really limit of 13 cents, with the kind of typical cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, all things considered. Further appearance how starting around 27 September 2023, Star Atlas DAO truly is exchanging at 11 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in very most recent 60 minutes, or so they especially thought. Star Atlas DAO kind of past value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto really has been generally diminished by 3.34% in its most certainly current worth and in every practical sense, large way. Assuming we explicitly look at the in every practical sense current market cap of the Polis with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap for the most part is additionally down. So Star Atlas DAO truly passed value examination in every way that really matters. Recent hours, the crypto sort of has been by and large diminished by 3.34% in its truly current worth, which in every practical sense is very critical. From sort of most recent 7 days, the Polis sort of was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 18.52%, showing how might Polis value sort of outperform its record-breaking essentially high in a sort of large manner. Star Atlas DAO especially has shown extremely in every practical sense, solid essentially potential of late, and this could be in every way that really matters, great chance to sort of dive right in and contribute. So starting around 27 September 2023, Star Atlas DAO generally is exchanging at 11 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in fundamentally most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Polis in a real sense diminished by 55.184%, dispensing with an incredible kind of typical amount of 14 cents from its kind of current worth, showing how from absolute most recent 7 days, the Polis by and large was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 18.52%, showing how might Polis cost in every way that really matters outperform its untouched fundamentally high in a genuinely significant manner. This unexpected down essentially implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a sort of good truly purchase a potential open door for the most part fast speculation. Showing how this by and large makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, genuinely positioning at 612 in the cryptographic money market, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO Value Conjecture 2023 Facts. What will generally be Star Atlas DAO in every practical sense, worth in 2023 amazingly? The Polis cost generally is determined to basically arrive at a for the most part greatest degree of 13 cents, with least cost of 12 cents, toward the finish of 2023, showing how might Polis cost by and large outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they fundamentally thought. Star's Atlas DAO for the most part have a future in a by and large significant manner. As far as value, Star Atlas DAO basically has an extraordinary by and large potential to arrive at new levels in a for the most part significant manner essentially. It in a real sense is conjecture that Polis will increment in esteem, or so they by and large thought. As indicated by most certainly unambiguous specialists and business experts, Star Atlas DAO can in a real sense hit the essentially the greatest cost of $0.024 till 2030, which fundamentally is genuinely critical.